Important keyboard shortcuts command. Select all. Control plus A. Bold. Control plus B. Next, copy. Control plus C. Next, font dialog box. Control plus D. Next, center alignment. Control plus E. Next, italics. Control plus I. Next, justified alignment. Control plus J. Next, help. F1. Next, edit a rename. F2. Next, properties. F4. Next, go to. F5. Next, spell check. F7. Next, save as. F12. Next, escape. ESC. Next, save. Control plus S. Next, underline. Control plus U. Next, print. Control plus P. Next, hyperlink. Control plus K. Next, left alignment. Control plus L. Next, opens new blank document. Control plus N. Open existing document. Control plus O. Next, right alignment. Control plus R. Next, print screen या take a screenshot. PRTSCN. Next, redo. Control plus Y. Next, undo. Control plus Z. Next, close file. Control plus W. Next, cut. Control plus X. Next, print preview. Control plus F2. Next, close window या shut down. All plus F4. Next, go to end of a file या worksheet. Control plus end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for new video notification.